All right, it's finally here. I've been waiting for a set of Comet cars in the MBTA scheme in HO scale for as long as I can remember. I had some Walthers ones as a kid. They weren't that great. Hopefully the Rapido ones are pretty cool. Here's what you get. This is one of the sets. It has the cab car and two coaches, all in individual boxes inside this sleeve. And this is the cab car here first. It's, in your typical iceberg boxes and all that stuff. Has some extra parts. You got a long shank coupler, some of those grills for the front windows if you want to apply those, detailed parts, instructions, and the magnetic wand, which should operate the ditch lights, I think, with this, as well as the interior lighting, so we'll check it out. All right, so here's the first look at the cab car. The number on top. This thing around a bit. Yeah, pretty impressive trucks. It rolls very well, which is really nice because it's been a challenge for a lot of companies over the years to manufacture these kinds of trucks, like on fleets and things like that. So that's a nice surprise. Okay, so the lighting, there's three things you can do here with the magic wand. One, if you want to turn on the interior lighting, you use the wand to touch the middle of the car right here on the top. There you go. Everything's illuminated inside now. If you want to turn the end marker lights on, you touch over the 1634 here, and they're on. And then if you want to turn the ditch lights on, it says use the wand around the second window here, and there you go. Those are on too, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so it's time to pull the three cars. I've lit them all up with the interior lighting and the marker lights on the trailing car. I'm gonna run this thing in forward with the Rapido F40 that just came out a month or so ago. So here we go. Pretty smooth. This table layout, it has 24-inch radius curves. I didn't change out the couplers or anything like that. Looks to be pretty smooth, no derailments. So it's good for 24 inches for sure. Okay, now let's see how it goes in push-pull and run it backwards. I've used the wand to turn the ditch lights on now, turn the marker lights off, and here we go. So that's pretty much it. My first thoughts on this are, this thing's awesome. It's a great set. been waiting a long time for a manufacturer to come out with this kind of thing, an HO, and to have the trucks run so well. They're perfect right out of the box, free rolling. Nobody's been able to do that before with this type of truck. So hopefully they'll sell these trucks individually so I can go ahead and update some of the older Horizon cars that I have from Walthers. And they probably work well with the Amfleets as well. But yeah, this is just a great set. The interior lighting is great. All the details inside, like Rapido always has, with all the, you can see all the seats and their different colors. That's really neat. Just a very impressive set. And I'm really happy to finally have at least a small little MBTA model with an F40 that I can run around my train table.